Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am with Rajaram from Nvidia India. I am Sahay, as you all know. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a water-cooled PC build for Thermaltake India. It's going to be a hard tube water-cooled build. As it's a Thermaltake build, so all the parts are going to be from Thermaltake, from water cooling to the water blocks, also from the case. Let's go through them very briefly. So I would tell Rajaram sir to go through all the parts very briefly.
So currently we'll be using motherboard from ASRock,
Yes.
Taichi.
Yes.
Second one would be the CPU. Currently for this build we are using a Ryzen 2600, but shortly after the build we'll be updating the CPU to 2700. Memories are from ADATA.
XPG RAMs,
XPG RAMs,
3600
yes.
or 3200 megahertz.
Yes. And memory part is handled by ADATA, like I said. And the last but not the least is our storage. What we are doing is we are using WD Black range of NVMe drives for our storage, and we are using them in RAID mode for improved safety, data safety as well as performance. And other than that, the star would be, I think, of course, RTX 2080.
Yes.
Founders
It's a
Edition.
water cooled build. So it's going to be RTX 2080 or a 2080 Ti, whatever we have in the office.
Currently, we are not going to do water cooling for the GPU.
Yes.
Because we are still waiting for the GPU block, so we'll be just
And
doing the water
also we
cooling
want to
procedure.
keep the live stream a bit shorter. So people watching right now, it's going to be a time lapse for y'all, but people who were present on the live stream, this was recorded after the live stream. So for keeping the live stream a bit shorter, we did not decide to water cool the GPU as well, because then it becomes too complicated and the live stream becomes too long. So yeah, that's it.
And I think, of course, they can watch the complete video if they want.
Yes.
It's a bit long,
Yes.
4 hours, I think.
So y'all can go over to the gamerconnect.in page on Facebook. I'll leave the link in the description below. Y'all can go there and watch it if y'all wish like, or y'all can watch the time lapse that's going to be on both the pages again. So that's it. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
वॉचिंग. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया वीडियो देखने के लिए. If you have any recommendations to make this video even better, please मदद कीजिए, recommendation दीजिए, and please like if you like the videos.
So how he said, like the videos if you like it, comment down below what you like in the video, or if you have any suggestions. Please like the gamerconnect.in page on Facebook and subscribe to the Tech Duo. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you in the next one soon.